In this video, I'll guide you through how to send mass emails on Acuity scheduling. Whether you're looking to stay connected with your clients or keep them informed about updates, sending mass emails can be a powerful tool for communication. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the integration section. You can find this option on the left-hand sidebar of your Acuity scheduling dashboard. This is your starting point for connecting Acuity with your chosen email service. The integrations page is essentially a hub that allows you to link your scheduling platform with various other applications, enhancing its functionality and providing a smoother experience for you and your clients. Once you're in the integration section, the next step is to connect Acuity to your preferred email service. For many, MailChimp is a popular choice due to its robust features and user-friendly interface. However, you might have another service that you prefer, and that's perfectly fine. Find your chosen email service from the list provided. When you locate it, click on the Setup button. This will initiate the process of integrating your scheduling system with your email service. By setting up this connection, you're enabling a seamless integration that makes managing your client communications much easier. It's like setting up a bridge between Acuity and your email platform, ensuring that information flows effortlessly between the two. This connection is crucial because it automates the process of adding new clients to your mailing list, which is our next step. Now, let's talk about synchronization. Syncing is the magic that ensures every time a new client books an appointment with you, their information is automatically added to your mailing list. This step is essential if you want to keep your communication efficient and timely. Instead of manually entering new client details every time someone books with you, this sync feature will handle it automatically, saving you time and reducing the risk of human error. By having your client list automatically updated, you can send out mass emails with confidence, knowing that everyone who should receive your messages is included. This is particularly useful for sending newsletters, promotional offers, or important updates about your services. It also helps in maintaining a professional relationship with your clients by keeping them informed and engaged. And there you have it, a straightforward way to send mass emails through Acuity scheduling. By integrating with your preferred email service and syncing your client list, you ensure that your communication is both effective and efficient. This setup not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your ability to connect with your clients on a regular basis without the hassle of manual updates. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to leverage Acuity scheduling for your email marketing needs. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering client communication and making the most of your scheduling software's capabilities. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.